Hello, my name is Esau Ramirez, and I'm here to present this month's Axiom Presents video, Wirecrafters, Cages and Partitions.
Hi, Esau.
Hey, Calvin. Wirecrafters is a leading manufacturer for woven and welded wire partitions. They provide creative solutions for their customers for their safety, storage, and security needs.
So Esau, can you tell me a little bit more about the cage?
Well, this cage is a 1x2 wired mesh, bolted to the steel posts that are 2x2 and also bolted to the ground, which makes it for easy install.
Wow. And who's this right here?
This is Nick Cage.
Nick Cage. Strong cage.
Here, let's take a ride to the other side of the warehouse. Wirecrafters is very customizable. It can fit any footprint in any warehouse. Let's take a look at the dimensions on this one. Oh, Nick Cage. Here are the door options. Doors can be standard hinged, double hinged for wide opening and sliding, Dutch doors for driver cages, and vertical rises. Standard Wirecrafter locks come with a key lock on the front and a thumb turn knob on the back. There's also alternative standard locks that include turn latch and doorknob. Wirecrafters also offers a big selection of custom locks that include push bar, keypad, card swiping, and electric strike. Wirecrafters cages and partitions are great options for anyone looking to upgrade their security with an effective and affordable product. Easy to install, design, and customize. Isn't that right, Nick Cage?
Sure is.
Someone's going to steal the Declaration of Independence.